Welcome back, guys. It's Kid Coding Playground here, and today we're back for another video. I know Halloween is over, but we're making a Smash the Jack-o'-lanterns game with Frank. So, have you guys went trick-or-treating lately? Yesterday? Yeah, we did. So, yeah, comment in the comment section below if you went trick-or-treating and see how much candy you got too. So, yeah, I hope you guys got a lot of candy. But I always don't finish my candy. Whatever. So, Smash the Pumpkins game. Smash the pumpkins. The objective of this game is to smash the pumpkins. Click anywhere on the top of the screen to make Frank move to that position and jump down and smash a pumpkin. Once player gets 30 points, and the player wins the game. You can change the point to win higher, but for demo we kept at 30 points. Smash the Pumpkins game. We'll be learning these following concepts in Scratch: variables, loops, broadcast and wait, custom sprite, mouse positions, X and Y, and custom block. Shout out, question of the week. So we had a community post we'll be posting next week too. So we have few people that were one of the first persons to show us. So Abhishek Single said it was 34 is the correct answer, and that is correct. And Let's Try New Things with Deversh said it's 34, and that's also correct. Amita Gosh told us that the correct answer is 35. 35 is also correct. You can also use 35. 35 is also a correct answer. So is 34. So they're both correct answers for the unknown. So, anyways, great job on that, guys. I'm pretty sure all of you guys got that correct. And so if you guys wanna. You guys can comment in the comment section below, or you can also comment in our new community posts, and you might have a chance of having a shout out. So, yeah. So, please like, share, subscribe, and smash the like button like Frank is smashing a pumpkin, basically. So, I will be demoing this game. So, let's full screen. As you can see, it plays some music. I just turned down the music. There's 3 jack-o'-lanterns, and the backdrop is continuously changing color. And there's a score on top. So I'm going to click right here, and Frank comes down and he smashes the pumpkin. They're randomized colors, and they give you random score. So let's break some pumpkins. So you can break 2 at once, which is pretty cool, in my opinion. So yeah, so this is a pretty fun game in my opinion. So, and we won. You win! Yay! So you can get your own pumpkin from online, or you can download ours in the Google Drive. Links in the description. So yeah, so we have a bunch of costumes for you. Now we started the project. So yeah, you have to make a project, of course. And you have to Untitled 31. That's not a good name. So you gotta name it Smash the Pumpkins. So we will be working on the backdrop first. So the backdrop is the easiest, so we'll finish this first. So I do have some things in my backpack, and I will get to that. So I think I use forest or woods. So it's creepy. We can delete the scratch cat. That's not useful. And so the backdrop. When the green flag is clicked, it will go forever and play a sound that you want. So I used a movie too. So mine was a little bit different. So as you can see, movie 2 is a little bit quicker than mine. So I made a slower one. So in my opinion, I think that sounds better. But you can make your movie 2 or any sound you want. So let's just play movie 2 until done. When green flag is clicked, it'll clear all graphic effects, because we're gonna make the woods change a little bit color. So when forever, it will change color effect by 1. So let's see how it looks like. So it's really cool. It's like slowly changing color. Yeah. like it's like Halloween, like really creepy. So we will be working on the Frank next. So Frank is actually in the Sprite library, so we can go to Frank right here. He's a little bit too big, so I will make him size 50 or maybe 75 if that's too small. 75. But so when the green flag is clicked, I will set score to 0. So it's to make a variable called score. It'll go to a position. So I have coordinates, so we can just move it around here, but I will type it up. So negative 150 and 25. You don't have to copy exactly my coordinates, but if you want to, you can. And point in direction 90. Remember, you can pause whenever you need it, so that's great if you need to pause. So I'll switch costume to Frank A. So this is the regular costume. Frank B, we don't really need Frank B. You can delete it if you want, that's optional, but and we need Frank C and D. So switch costume to Frank A, set rotation style left right, so it will not be turned around. So we already have that, I think. No, we don't. So let's just click on there too. We already have this, but you know, just for extra protection, just in case if it doesn't work. So let's go forever. And you need an if-then statement. If then the mouse is down, because the mouse is clicked, basically. It will glide 0.1 seconds. You can make it glide like 10 seconds if you want, but it's just quick. So glide 0.1 seconds to mouse X and mouse Y. So let's just put these two. So it'll go to where your mouse is. And then it'll broadcast smash. And wait. I always get that wrong. So broadcast, smash, and wait. So we need a broadcast, smash, and wait, because when it smashes down, we need to finish the animation. So you cannot, when it's still in its animation, you can't just click there and you cannot spam click. So that's basically what it does. So we also have to do some other things. Now we're gonna do some custom blocks. So make a block, smash. So define smash. Glide 0.3 seconds to mouse X. And for the Y, you need a plus symbol. I'll show you just in a minute. So I don't have the pumpkin right now, so I have it in my backpack, so let's just put it right here. Pumpkin doesn't have any code yet, but we will put code for it. So, and mouse Y, and you need a plus symbol. So you need so let's write 50 in here first, and then you need the Y position. So the backdrop off stage, the tricky block that you cannot change the first one, you gotta change the second one first, and then you can change it. And the Y position of pumpkin one. So I'll show you why we need that, the plus 50. So when you duplicate this, I'm gonna duplicate this one first. So it says 136, negative 136, and it's way too low. But when you do this, negative 86, it will be more higher. Because if it was negative 136, it would be like around down here. But it's like around here. Can't really drag that one. But if you do negative 86, it's around there. So, yeah, that's great. So, And then when I receive smash, we're not done with this block of code. We'll continue with that. So when I receive smash, then smash. And then it'll broadcast a new message. Smash. It was supposed to be broadcast smash and wait, so we can just take this one out. Smash the pumpkin, I meant. Smash the pumpkin. Smash the pumpkin. And also, when I receive smash the pumpkin, it will when I receive smash the pumpkin, it will wait 0.2 seconds. So it'll make a Frank move. This is basically making it move. And it'll switch costume to Frank C. So I'll show you the costumes in a minute. And wait 0.2 seconds. And we'll switch costume to Frank D. We'll also wait 0.2 seconds again, so we can just duplicate this. And it will broadcast start again. So broadcast and wait start again. And then in the costumes, Frank A, Frank C, Frank D. And so we also have some other code to do. So when I receive start again, it will switch costume to Frank A. Then it'll go to negative 150 to 25. So it'll rebound, and once you have like here, it'll just go back here. And you need if then statement. If then the score is over 30, then broadcast you win. Just regular broadcast, no wait. Broadcast, new message, you win. So the rest should be really easy because the pumpkins are just all the same, just a little bit different code. So we're almost done. So when I receive you win, then stop other scripts in the sprite. So stop everything, basically, in this sprite. So let's test it. Jump here, costumes, go back to the regular costume. We haven't finished the pumpkin yet, so we just have to make one pumpkin and we just have to duplicate it and change some things up. So we will teach you how to draw your own pumpkin. So let's go in pumpkin 1, costumes. So basically, it's just a circle. You have to just reshape it. So let's just paint it. So a circle with the outline thickness of 3, and it's orange in the inside, and it's just a big circle. You just need some reshape tools, and you can reshape it to look more like a pumpkin. So let's do that right now. As you can see, it kind of looks like a pumpkin, I guess. And we just need some lines, and we can just draw the triangle nose, the triangle eyes, the triangle mouth. So you just need some lines. Outline is 3, fill is white. So you can make it black if you want. I'm not sure if insides of a pumpkin eye is like white or black, but we use white here, so so fill completely white, all white. We can just duplicate that that one, so you can just duplicate it, Control C, Control V, and put the other eye. And the nose is almost the same, but just a little smaller. And also we need to do the mouth. So I'm just drawing the lines right now. Yeah. So I'm drawing more lines. I don't really know what to say right now. Oh yeah, and we're done with the mouth. So we can just color that white. Bam, saturation, colored. And also we have to make the top. So it's just a circle, but that's green. And then you just need to reshape it just a little bit. So as you can see, it's outlined. And we have to put it in the back, because in the front it looks a little bit worse. So put it in the back, and you just have to reshape it. Or you don't have to reshape it, just turn it up. So we can delete this costume. And we also have to make the second costume. It's just a bunch of broken circles and a smashed pumpkin. Basically, you just have to draw little circles, put the decorations, and just and just put the stem and draw and reshape them. So I'm gonna draw them in the same costume, so then I don't have to delete it twice. So we can just duplicate the eye that we got and put it like on one of the pieces, like it's the eye piece that you just smashed off. And we can just duplicate this one, duplicate the orange thing, and make it like reshaped a little bit too. So this looks like a smashed pumpkin. And you can also draw like little lines, like a mouth. So we can put the mouth, basically. And we can also make a nose piece and another eye piece, because he has two eyes and a nose. So saturation. So you probably get the point. So we can delete this costume now, and let's get coding. So let's go to pumpkin. So when the green flag is clicked, it will clear graphic effects. So first we actually have to do my block actually, sorry about that, and it's called setup. Define setup, and it'll switch costume to costume 1. Change color effect by pick random. By pick random 1 to 300. You can make 1 to like 1,000 if you want, but I picked 300. And it'll go to a position. So this is the coordinate we have. So so later we will get to this and do something about it, and we will tell you. So and it'll show. And so let's continue off of this green flag. So when the green flag is clicked, it'll clear all graphic effects, and so it'll reset the color, and it'll set size to 50%, because it's a little bit big, but we already have it at 50, so it doesn't really matter. And then define setup. So it'll call the setup, not define, call the setup here, and this will define it. And then it'll go forever. And you need if then statement. If then it's touching Frank, then it'll break. So touching Frank, and broadcast broken pumpkin 1. We have 3 pumpkins, so it will be different. So we gotta make a new one. Broken. Cancel. It's broadcast and wait. So broken pumpkin 1. And then when I receive broken pumpkin 1, then I'll change score by a pick random score. So change score by 1 to 5. Pick random. And I'll switch costume to number 2 when it's broken. And I'll wait 1 second, hide, and when I receive start again, then I'll wait 1 second and do setup again. I'll call setup again, and when I receive you win, then it will switch costume to costume 1, and it'll stop other scripts in the sprite. So basically this is the code. We just have to duplicate this. So I'll show all the code for this. So if you have missed anything, feel free to pause or just wait 5 seconds. And then Frank, if you don't have this code, pause whenever you need it. And so let's test it out. So save now. So bam, 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 bam. Calling 1 pumpkin right now. Background changing color. Music is playing. You go wherever you want. So the pumpkins will be somewhere around here. So you cannot spam it. As you can see, I'm trying to click as hard as I can, and I'm not spamming it. So you can't spam because of the broadcast smash and wait. So we'll be also duplicating this, but just changing up a little bit code. So I'll duplicate pumpkin 2. Instead, it's broken pumpkin 2. So we also have to go to x10 but we have to make the same as negative 136. If it's for me, it's negative 136. You got to make it the same as pumpkin 1 for the y. And then this is going to be broken pumpkin 2, and instead of receiving broken pumpkin 1, broken pumpkin 2, and I think that's it. So we also have to do pumpkin 3. So instead we have to change this to 175x, and instead of broken pumpkin 1 or broken pumpkin 2, it's of course broken pumpkin 3. And we also have to change this to broken pumpkin 3. So we will add the winning. So I have it in my backpack right here. It's already centered, so you win. Sprite 1. So we are almost done, inches away. So when the green flag is clicked, it will hide. And when I receive you win, then go to 0, 0, x 0, y 0, so it's in the middle. And we'll go to the front layer. So we have that right here. And show. And also stop it. Everything. Let's test it. So as you can see, that gave me a random score, and I'm trying to break these pumpkins. They're changing. This works fine, right? And the backdrop is changing all these colors, and the music is playing. So it's happy Halloween, guys. So I'm just gonna beat this game, and you win. I was over 30. So yeah, great. So anyways, please like how Frank broke the pumpkins, smash the pumpkins, smash the like button and the subscribe button, and also share to your friends this, smash the share button, smash the share button. And also, happy Halloween, guys. See you guys.